Hey there! So you're thinking about selling your house and wondering which fixes are actually worth your time and money, right? Well, let me fill you in on a little secret. Not every improvement is going to give you bang for your buck, despite what some might say. Alright, let's get into it. Here are the top 3 things you really don't need to worry about fixing when selling your house. Minor HVAC, electrical, and plumbing issues. Now don't get me wrong, a well-maintained home is important, but here's the thing. Addressing every single tiny issue in these areas might not be the best use of your resources. You see, major problems that can seriously impact the livability and safety of your house should definitely be tackled. However, those minor issues, well, it's often better to let the buyer handle them. Old appliances and windows. You might think that installing shiny brand new appliances and windows will impress potential buyers. But guess what? That isn't always the case. Many savvy buyers are more interested in the overall condition and functionality of the house. So unless your appliances and windows are completely falling apart, it may not be worth the investment. Partial room upgrades. The classic partial upgrade. While it might sound enticing to spruce up just one room, it can actually result in an inconsistent look and feel throughout your home. And that can make buyers question the overall quality of the property. Trust me, doubts about other areas that aren't improved can creep in. So there you have it. Keep these tips in mind when preparing to sell your house. Remember, focus your efforts and resources on the fixes that truly matter and save yourself some time and money. If you found that helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're looking to buy or sell a house, please feel free to reach out to me, Miguel Garanza with Remax Platinum Team Callan, or visit my website, livingstonmi.com.